So next we are going to talk about states of matter. There are three states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solids have high intermolecular force of attraction between the particles. Second thing, they have definite shape. Okay, they are having a definite shape. Next thing, liquid, less intermolecular force. That's why when we spell water, it flows. अगर कहीं पे भी हमने एक गिलास वाटर या ज्यादा वाटर स्पिल कर दिया, फैला दिया, तो वो फ्लो करता है किसी भी डायरेक्शन में. Am I right? Next thing, so it is having less intermolecular force of attraction. Next, indefinite shape. इसका कोई particular shape नहीं होता है. It takes the shape of container. Next one, gases. Negligible force of attraction between the particles. Second thing, इनका भी कोई definite shape नहीं होता है. Gases also are indefinite in shape. So these are the properties of states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solids have high intermolecular force of attraction and definite shape like a pen or a box. Liquid, they are having less intermolecular force of attraction between the particles of matter and they are indefinite in shape, means they take the shape of container. Gases, negligible force of attraction. Negligible means ना के बराबर, and they are also indefinite in shape. They also take the shape of container, like perfume bottles. It can be in any shape. Gas cylinders. So gases take the shape of container. Is there any doubt in the properties of solid, liquid or gas? Solid, high intermolecular force of attraction, definite shape. Liquid, and one more thing.
Least compressibility.
Least compressibility, that is very less space between the particles. Correct ना? Compressibility का मतलब होता है when we apply force on any object from both the directions. इसको compress करना हुआ. When we are applying force, we are compressing it. ये solid है तो compress नहीं हो रहा है. But if we take any other example, suppose if we take a cloth, compress हो गया. Correct? If you take cotton, compress हो जाएगी. Spring, it will get compressed. Rubber band, it will also get compressed. The sockets, the suspensions in your car or bikes, they are also having compressibility. Am I right? ये सारे compressible होते हैं, but solids have least compressibility. सबसे कम जो compressibility होती है वो solids की होती है. I tell you how. Suppose this is a gas. What is this? Gas. The particles are far away. Okay. When it is compressed, compressed का मतलब जब दोनों तरफ से इसमें क्या हुआ? Force apply हुआ. When it will get compressed, the particles will come closer. Particles close आएंगे. So gas will get changed into, देखो particles पास में आ गए. Gas will get changed into liquid. Then next, when we apply more pressure, that is compressibility, और compress करेंगे तो ये particles और close आ जाएंगे. We can take the example, this is vapor. What is this? Vapor. On cooling down or applying pressure, it can be changed into liquid, that is water. And when the temperature is decreased or we apply compressibility pressure, the particles will come closer and it will get changed into solid. ओके अब इससे ज्यादा भी इसको कंप्रेस कर सकते हो क्या? क्या पार्टिकल्स को और क्लोज ला सकते हैं? नो. दिस इज द मैक्सिमम कंडीशन टिल वेयर पार्टिकल्स कैन बी ब्रॉट टुगेदर. इसके बाद हम इसको और कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. मींस सॉलिड्स हैव लीस्ट कंप्रेसिबिलिटी. सॉलिड्स हैव लीस्ट कंप्रेसिबिलिटी. सॉलिड से ज्यादा किसकी होती है? लिक्विड की. लिक्विड से भी ज्यादा कंप्रेसिबिलिटी किसकी होती है? गैसेस की. गैसेस आर हाईली कंप्रेसिबल. Gases are highly compressible. Therefore, air is a mixture of gases. और हम उसको क्या कर लेते हैं? ऑक्सीजन, O2, नाइट्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम. We can separate these gases from the air by the process of applying pressure. By the process of applying pressure and decreasing टेम्परेचर. अगर हम क्या करें? प्रेशर अप्लाई करें और टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज करें तो एयर से ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन को एट डिफरेंट लेवल्स वी कैन सेपरेट. एम आई राइट? दिस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्रेसिबिलिटी. अगर गैसेस कंप्रेसिबल ना हो तो हम उनको सेपरेट नहीं कर पाएंगे. सॉलिड्स आर नॉट कंप्रेसिबल. सॉलिड्स को हम कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. लिक्विड को कंप्रेस करके सॉलिड में चेंज कर सकते हैं. गैसेस को कंप्रेस करके लिक्विड और सॉलिड दोनों में चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो वी कैन से गैसेस आर हाईली कंप्रेसिबल. आफ्टर गैस लिक्विड, आफ्टर लिक्विड सॉलिड. इज इट क्लियर? एक बार देखो, इसमें कोई डाउट आ रहा हो तो बताओ. कंप्रेसिबिलिटी क्या होती है ये पता चला. When pressure is applied from both the sides, that is compressibility. Is there any doubt? Compressibility क्या होती है, कैसे वर्क करती है? Anybody wants to ask anything? Anything that has mass and occupies space, that is matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles. Then we talked about characteristics. First characteristic is what? Particles of matter are very small. That is atoms combine to form molecule. Second one, particles of matter have space between them.
Particles of matter constantly move.
Yeah, particles of matter are continuously moving. And fourth one, particles of matter attract each other with different forces in different objects. Correct. Next one we talked about compressibility. तो हमें पता चला कि गैसेस में कंप्रेसिबिलिटी सबसे ज्यादा होती है. एंड बाय अप्लाइंग प्रेशर एंड डिक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर वी कैन फिल्टर आउट द डिफरेंट गैसेस फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर, दैट इज एयर. दैट इज हाउ द फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर सिलेंडर्स हैव कार्बन इन देम. इट इज अ सॉलिड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Actually, there is a process for this, sublimation. You know now what is sublimation? फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर सिलेंडर में जो गैस फिल्ड होती है, इट गेट्स फ्रीज्ड. वो एयर के कांटेक्ट में आती है, फ्रीज हो जाती है. क्यों? Why it happens so? Because it shows the process sublimation. क्योंकि वो कौन सा प्रोसेस शो कर रहा है? Sublimation. It is also called dry ice. उसको और क्या भी कहते हैं? Dry ice. That is solid carbon dioxide. Conversion of gaseous state into solid state without going in liquid state. That is what called sublimation. You can take the example of camphor. Camphor मतलब कपूर, the white color. When it burns, जब भी हम उसको जलाते हैं, when it burns, no ash means no residue. Residue means जलाने के बाद कुछ भी बचता है. When you burn camphor, कपूर को जलाते हैं, कुछ भी बचता है क्या? नहीं. Nothing is left. Why? Because it is showing sublimation. The change of gaseous state into solid or solid into gaseous state without going in liquid state is called sublimation. Okay? Next we will talk the effect of pressure and temperature. प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर का किसी भी सब्सटेंस पे जो कि मैटर है उस पे क्या इफेक्ट होगा? व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट? Actually what happens, when temperature increases, kinetic energy of the particle increases. So very first we should get clear what is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is energy due to motion of particles. Suppose these are some particles and this is a ice cube. What is this? This is a ice cube. When the temperature will be increased, this is a ice cube. When the temperature will be increased, what will happen? The particles will start moving far away. ये दूर दूर भागने लगेंगे. These will run far away and their speed will get increased. और क्या होगा? Speed, that is velocity, it will get increased. Why it is getting increased? Because temperature is increasing. Temperature बढ़ेगा तो particles की speed बढ़ेगी और ये ice cube water में change हो जाएगा. जितना ज्यादा temperature होगा conversion उतनी ही जल्दी होगा. How? Because kinetic energy is 1/2 mv square. M means mass and V means velocity. When we increase temperature, velocity is increasing, and if velocity is increasing, that is V. It means kinetic energy is increasing. Kinetic energy means energy due to motion of particles. Correct? Tell me one thing. If you take out the ice cube from freezer and put it in fridge, what will happen? In how many minutes it will get dissolved or melted? It will take 4 to 5 minutes because freezer is a cold place and fridge is also a cold place. But if you put the ice cube in sunlight, उस ice cube को हम sunlight में रख देंगे तो क्या होगा? Within a few seconds it will get melted. और ऐसा possible क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि temperature increase हो रहा है. In sunlight the temperature is getting increased, therefore kinetic energy is getting increased. Kinetic energy means energy due to motion of particles, that is 1/2 mv square. Particles का movement बढ़ रहा है, kinetic energy भी बढ़ रही है, तो ice cube it will get rapidly means fastly into liquid state. So this is the effect of temperature on matter. This is the effect of temperature on matter. On decreasing the temperature. यहाँ अभी हमने किसकी बात करी है? Increasing की. Now we will talk about when we decrease the temperature, what will happen? and it is not a ice cube, it is a liquid, that is water. These are the molecules of water, suppose, okay? And when temperature is decreased, what will happen? Velocity will get decreased. क्योंकि अगर हीट ज्यादा होगी तो पार्टिकल्स का मूवमेंट भी स्पीड में होगा, लेकिन अगर हीट कम है, हॉटनेस कम है, it is colder region, so the speed of particles will also be slow. So what will happen? Kinetic energy will also get decreased. Now you see the particles will not move here and there. They will come closer. They will not move far away. And their speed is also slow. उनकी स्पीड भी कैसी है? स्लो है. और अब वो धीमे धीमे मूव कर रहे हैं. And attraction force is there between particles, we know. So did you understood this thing? The changes in temperature, the effect of temperature. अगर टेम्परेचर चेंज हो रहा है, इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज, तो कैसे चेंजेस होंगे? If the temperature is decreased, kinetic energy will get decreased. Decreased by? Because the speed of particle is getting slow. जो उसकी velocity है वो क्या हो जाएगी? It will be slow. But if temperature is increased, the velocity will be more. It means kinetic energy also more. तो conversion भी जल्दी होगा. But when there is a decrement, the conversion will be slow. आप आइस को वाटर में तो जल्दी चेंज कर लोगे, लेकिन अगर वाटर को आइस में चेंज करना है, देन यू हैव टू गिव सम टाइम. बताओ क्या पहले चेंज हो जाएगा? आइस इनटू वाटर और वाटर इनटू आइस?
Sir, ice into water.
Ice into water. Why? Because kinetic energy is increased, temperature is high, correct? But when temperature is decreased and kinetic energy is also decreased, तो conversion slow होगा. Is it clear? Next is our evaporation. What is the next topic? Our next topic is evaporation. What is evaporation? Conversion of liquid into gas on heating. We can take example of liquid as water and a gas, that is vapor or steam. जो भाप निकलती है, the steam, the vapor. When liquid gets converted into gas on heating, that is called evaporation. Next we will talk about factors affecting evaporation. Factors affecting evaporation. Which factors affect evaporation? Surface area bigger, rate of evaporation faster. अगर सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा है, so the first factor, evaporation is clear. Conversion of liquid into gas on heating is evaporation. Now we are going to talk about the factors which affect evaporation. The first factor is surface area bigger. Suppose if you take a glass, okay, and in that you pour some water, what will happen? Water will get boiled early or faster. Suppose we are having a glass and water is filled here and this is here burner. यहाँ पे कोई heat है, क्या होगा? Water जल्दी boil होगा या फिर हम boil ले लें? If we take a big bowl, this is a bowl and this is a glass. In which water will get boiled faster? In bowl or in glass?
Glass.
ग्लास में जल्दी बाउल होगा. आज करके देखो, ट्राई करो ये.
Bowl, sir, bowl.
बाउल. क्यों?
Bowl.
क्योंकि सरफेस एरिया ज्यादा है. When we make tea, we prepare the tea in a bowl, not in a glass, because the surface area is less. कम सरफेस एरिया होगा तो वो हीट भी कम एब्जॉर्ब करेगा ना. Suppose this is a glass. Okay. When heat is supplied from here, from the burner, तो हीट एब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए कितना स्पेस है? केवल ये स्पेस है. वेरी लिटिल स्पेस इज देयर फॉर एब्जॉर्बिंग हीट. केवल हीट यहां से एब्जॉर्ब हो रही है. बट इफ वी आर हैविंग अ बाउल, करेक्ट ना? लार्ज सरफेस एरिया, rate of evaporation will be faster. Small surface area, rate of evaporation will be slower. Is it clear? Is it clear? You can try this activity at your home. Take a glass and a bowl and then you notice which water is getting boiled up faster. Okay? If any doubt, then also you can ask me next time. No problem in that. Next thing, after surface area, that is humidity. If humidity is more, then rate of evaporation will be less.
Will be less.
Correct now? Because humidity means moisture in the air. Moisture का मतलब नमी. And when there is a rain and suddenly sunlight comes, what happens? We sweat a lot of and we feel something sticky in our skin. Why it happens so? क्योंकि moisture बढ़ जाता है. Moisture means the humidity, amount of water vapor. What is moisture? Amount of vapor
Water.
present in the air. तो जब ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा होगी तो रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन स्लो होगा. बट इफ ह्यूमिडिटी इज लेस, इफ ह्यूमिडिटी इज व्हाट? लेस, देन एवापोरेशन विल बी
Low.
फास्टर. फास्टर ना. अगर ह्यूमिडिटी कम है, सॉरी, इफ ह्यूमिडिटी इज मोर, अगर ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा है तो रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन कम होगा, लेस. लेकिन अगर ह्यूमिडिटी कम है मतलब मॉइस्चर कम है, सो द रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन विल बी फास्टर. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. थर्ड वन इज increase in temperature. Third point is increase in temperature will increase rate of evaporation. अगर टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा तो रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन भी बढ़ेगा. नेक्स्ट वन, फास्ट ब्लोइंग विंड. फास्ट blowing wind will increase rate of evaporation. For example, you can take, if the winds are blowing very fast and you put your clothes for drying up, हम अपने कपड़े सुखाना चाहें तो क्या होगा? It will get dry up soon. But if the winds are not blowing, then the clothes will take time to get dried up. Correct? करेक्ट ना. अगर विंड्स चल रही हैं तो हमारे कपड़े जल्दी सूख जाएंगे. बट इफ द विंड्स आर नॉट ब्लोइंग देन द रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन विल बी लेस. फास्ट ब्लोइंग विंड विल इंक्रीज रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन. इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर, इफ सनलाइट इज मोर द रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन विल बी मोर. इफ इट इज क्लाउडी रेट ऑफ एवापोरेशन विल बी स्लो. इफ winds are blowing fast the rate of evaporation will be faster. But if winds are not blowing, the rate of evaporation will be slower. Any doubt in the factors affecting evaporation? I'll write all the points once again. And if you have any doubt, then tell me. And one more thing. In tomorrow's class, we will talk about some important questions from chapter first and go through their answers. In tomorrow's class, we will talk about some of the important questions carrying 1 or 2 marks from chapter first, and they might be asked in examination too. Okay. So the factors affecting evaporation. First, larger surface area will increase rate of evaporation. Increase in temperature increases rate of evaporation. Increase in humidity decreases rate of evaporation. Fourth one, fast blowing winds increases rate of evaporation. So these are the 4 factors which affect evaporation, and we know what is evaporation: conversion of liquid into gases on heating. So in the first chapter, the important topics which we discussed over here, that is matter in our surroundings. First, next, what is matter? What is surrounding? Physical states of matter, physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter is what? Particles of matter are made up of very small particles. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter attract each other. Particles of matter have space between them. Then states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, high intermolecular force of attraction, least compressibility, definite shape. Second, liquid, less intermolecular force of attraction, indefinite shape, takes the shape of container. Third one, gases, negligible force of attraction between the particles of matter, ना के बराबर attraction force होता है. And the force which is present between the particles, जो force दो particles के बीच में होता है, that force is called intermolecular force of attraction. What do we call that? We call it as intermolecular force of attraction. Then we talked about sublimation. Okay na? That is what sublimation. In sublimation, the substance do not go in liquid state. वो directly gas से solid में आता है और solid से gas में जाता है. For example, dry ice, camphor or ammonium chloride. Both are different. Camphor and ammonium chloride. So any doubt in chapter first what we studied? Then we studied about evaporation and factors affecting. किसी factor में या किसी topic में कोई आपको problem हो, then you tell me. You see your book and you find any doubt in any topic or kinetic energy. Is kinetic energy clear to you all? काइनेटिक एनर्जी कब इंक्रीज होती है? जब टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो. When temperature is increased, kinetic energy increases. When temperature is decreased, kinetic energy also decreases. So this is the summary of chapter first. and